Hello everybody. Today is Tuesday, January 13th. It is 2025 and I decided to make some lunch today. I have been craving for Hmong food because I've not been feeling well for the past couple days, and so finally feeling better and have the energy to do some cooking. So I asked my husband to go and pick up a pumpkin from the nearby store so I can make some pumpkin soup. There's nothing better for the soul than traditional Hmong pumpkin soup. Usually we like more mature pumpkins, but this will do. This particular kinds of pumpkin are actually really tasty. Even though it is very young, it is still very tasty. So I just cut it up like that and then just put it in water and just boiled it, and you have your soup. The next dish is my traditional all-time favorite, the bitter melon stir fry with eggs. So you just chop it up like that, very thin, as thin as possible, and then you mix it with your eggs. So here I'm preparing the eggs. Just mix it up like you would fry it. I also have some leftover chicken that we're going to be eating, and so you just heat up the wok and put the bitter melon in there, and you're gonna cook the bitter melon until it is cooked to the way that you like it. I like mine kind of still crunchy, not so soggy, and so I like to cook it first to dry it up, the liquid before I add in the eggs. And so here I'm just cooking and waiting for it to absorb, or for all the liquids or water from the bitter melon to evaporate. I also added some seasoning that has mushroom and salt in there, and so I like to use that for to add a little bit taste to it. Once that is cooked to the way I like it, I just add in the eggs and then just stir fry it like you would stir fry eggs, or like when you're cooking scrambled eggs. So that's how I make my eggs with bitter melon. So here you see that is almost done, and so I think my lunch is pretty much ready. Here is the stir-fried bitter melon with eggs. I'm just getting ready for lunch now, and so got my table ready here and all the foods on the table, and one bought some rice from the store nearby, so I didn't have to make rice today. So here it is. Here's our lunch, and so you guys come and have lunch with us.